Hey everyone, welcome back to Weekly Tools. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the V521 OBD2 or OBD2 car scanner. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or just someone looking to save on diagnostics, this little device might be what you're looking for. Let's unbox it, explore its features, and test it out on a real car. Let's start with what you get in the box. Here's the V521 OBD2 or OBD2 scanner. It's compact, and the design is simple, perfect for on-the-go diagnostics. Alongside it, you've got the manual and a USB cable for updates. Straightforward, nothing fancy, but sometimes that's exactly what we need. The V521 has a clear display, 4 navigation buttons, and the essential OBD connector to hook it up to your vehicle's diagnostic port. Our upgraded OBD2 scanner offers a wide range of essential functions for car diagnostics. As a professional OBD scanner, the OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool will help you to read and clear codes, turn off engine lights, view freeze frames, retrieve vehicle VINs, conduct battery voltage tests, and provide live data streams with graphing displays. Our built-in 50,000 plus DTC lookup, the OBD2 scanner car code reader, built-in 50,000 plus DTCs and 55 vendor brand specific codes. Other OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool usually only have 3,000 minus 10,000 DTCs and 36 vendor specific codes. OBD2 scanner offers newly cloud printing function. The code reader for cars offers advanced features such as live data and DTC replay combined with a cloud printing function. The OBD2 scanner can generate QR codes from these data and save them by scanning screenshots with your mobile phone. Simplifying the installation software printing process gives you more convenience and prevents auto repair shops from overcharging, saving you money and time. Compatible with cars and trucks after 1996, this OBD2 scanner diagnostic tool is compatible with most cars produced after 1996 in the USA, 2002 in Europe, and 2008 in Asia. Vehicles with an OBD2 port 16-pin meeting these timelines are compatible, super compact, and what you will get. The OBD2 scanner tool is easy to carry and storage. With each package, you will receive a canvas storage bag for convenient storage. Pros: compact and easy to use. Covers all OBD or OBD protocols. Displays clear, readable codes with descriptions. Affordable. Cons: limited to basic diagnostic functions. No wireless capabilities. Small display might not be ideal for everyone. So, is the V521 OBD or OBD scanner worth it? Absolutely, especially if you're looking for a no-frills, reliable device that won't break the bank. It covers the basics and performs them well. If you're a beginner or need a quick diagnostic tool to carry around, this is a fantastic option. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car gadget reviews, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to test any other scanners. See you in the next video.